Okay, once we had that all done, we'll just click on remove all bloatware. And let it uninstall everything. So once it says finished all tasks, we'll open up the GUI again. Oh. And we are going to disable Cortana. The laptop's really slow with Windows 10. Anyways, go ahead and if you use PDF for or in Edge, you can keep that. If you use a PDF viewer, I would stop Edge from takeover. If you don't use OneDrive, you can uninstall that. Unpin tiles from Start menu. You can also disable telemetry and tasks, and remove bloatware reg keys so all these bloatwares don't reinstall with updates. We're going to disable updates anyways, so we'll do that and come back. Okay, so the last one I'm doing here is uninstalling OneDrive, and so far so good. No black screen. It's working good. Okay, so after we have all the bloatware removed, we can go ahead and power off. And try resetting it. Restarting. See if it's going to work after bloatware has been removed. And miraculously, we are back to the login screen. No black screen. And there was no load time. Wonderful. Now, if you want to upgrade your ACER 7551, I guess this is your fix for no black screen. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and stay tuned for more tinkering videos. Hey guys, welcome back to Sam Gates Technical Tinkering. So we have an ACER 7551. This is probably the third or fourth time I've done a clean install of Windows 10. I found that when you start doing the Windows update, it goes black screen. So we are going to try and avoid a black screen. And what I plan to do is try to limit everything. I'm going to disable auto updates, Windows updates, as well as I'm going to remove bloatware. And see if that works. First, I'll limit the auto updates by going into settings and pausing the updates for 35 days just to see if it's going to work. If the black screen doesn't show up for a couple hours, usually it's maybe 15 minutes right after a clean install on this laptop, then I will go into registry and disable it completely. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is click the Windows icon, bottom left screen. Click the settings button and open up settings. We're going to scroll down to advanced options. And we're going to scroll down to pause updates. And let's just pause them for as long as we can. And close that window. Now that we have auto updates disabled, I'm going to check to see if the BIOS needs to be installed. So I will be right back. So I just plugged in the Ethernet. Now we have internet. And we're going to go in and search for Aspire 7551 BIOS upgrades. And hit enter. And you always want it coming from ACER website if it's an ACER, or a Zeus website if it's an Zeus. And we'll type in our model number here and click on our model. And scroll down. See, the thing is, they don't have Windows 10 operating system. So another sign that Aspire doesn't work well with Windows 10, I guess. So anyways, we're going to download this here. Show in folder. Unzip the file. Extract all. Extract. Open that. I'll go to Windows Flash and run as admin. Yes. So it should stay flashing status. Wait for that to flash the BIOS. It will restart, and then we will remove all these bloatware. And there we go, restarting. Now let's hope it boots up. Doesn't stay on black screen again. And I think it is a black screen. Let's try and Control Alt Delete didn't work. Try resetting the graphics card. It didn't work by pressing Control Alt Shift and B. Doesn't work. Control Alt and Delete. So we're going to have to hard reset it. And so we're back into the login page. Go ahead and log in. And after the login, we got a black screen. So I'm thinking, oh, what do you know? Amazing. All right. So let's keep working then. All right, so I got my bloatware remover on a USB. Let it load the drivers. And we have a couple of them here, Windows 10 debloater and remove bloatware from Windows 10. So we'll just copy and paste that. Open that. And that's not the one that I want. Windows 10 debloater is the one that I want. And there's a couple ones here. There's debloater for PowerShell, and there's a GUI here, which is pretty simple to use. So we are going to run with PowerShell. And we are going to put A for select all. Click enter. And there we go, there's the GUI. Yeah, we can go into customize blacklist, and you just pick the programs that you want to install or not uninstall. So there's a couple of them here. You can see if they're installed. You can uninstall them by check marking them. So Mixed Reality Portal is probably not going to be used, so we'll click that. Xbox apps, not going to be using those. And just go ahead and we'll select the ones we want or don't want.